You can analyze things way faster now. You can model quicker, and you can understand faster. So this should feel like power. And it does. We have never had more capability in our hands. But here's the part that doesn't get talked about enough. In practice, it often makes teams move slower because the volume, the speed, the variability of the inputs, they make it harder to know when to act. You have more signals, scenarios, and possibilities. And at some point, it stops feeling like insight and starts feeling like 47 tabs open and no idea which one matters. So you feel more informed than ever, but your business is not moving. What should feel like acceleration starts to feel like overwhelm or even a mobilization. Waiting for one more cut of the data, more assumptions, more validation. Because we all know that the next version of the data is definitely going to make the decision easier, wink, wink. And suddenly we're more capable, but we're not more decisive. That's the paradox. More insight does not equal better, faster outcomes. Because AI is making individuals faster, but it's not making our businesses move faster. And that's where the problem lives. There's a name for what's happening, and it's called decision latency. Decision latency is the gap between knowing what to do and actually doing it. And here's the thing. The gap used to be smaller. Now, we have more clarity than ever before and less ability to act on it. A forecast gets updated, you know exactly what needs to change, but the decision's taking time. Execution depends on your follow-up, conversations, coordination, and at least one meeting that could have been an email, and one email that turns into 3 more meetings. And while all of that is happening, the world keeps moving. The opportunity changes, the risk grows, so by the time the organization moves, it's no longer the same decision, and that is the cost of latency. And here's the part that matters the most. Decision latency isn't just an efficiency problem. It's a revenue problem. Every delay between insight and action means opportunities shrink, our risks grow, and our competitors move fast. And this is lost growth. 73% of leaders see 5% revenue pressure due to decision latency. What does that add up to for your organization? When you think about your own company, where do decisions stall? Is it when you're waiting for alignment? When you need just one more scenario? Or when execution depends on follow-up?